Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a hidden Samsung setting that could actually be slowing down your phone. Most people don't even realize this setting is turned on. Let's fix that right now. First things first, grab your Samsung phone and open the settings app. Scroll down and tap on device care. Now tap on memory. This is where your phone manages RAM usage. Scroll all the way down. You will see a setting called RAM Plus. If this is turned on, there is a good chance your phone is not performing at its best. Tap on it and switch it off. Simple. Why you should disable RAM Plus? Here's the deal. RAM Plus uses your phone's storage as extra virtual RAM. Sounds great, right? More RAM equals better performance. Not exactly. Your phone's real RAM is much faster than storage. Virtual RAM is slower and can actually reduce performance. It can also cause extra battery drain, and over time, it may even wear out your storage faster. So if you have 8GB RAM or more, you really don't need this feature. This feature isn't useless if you have 6GB RAM or less, or you multitask heavily with lots of apps, then RAM Plus might help you. Samsung enables this setting by default, but now you know better. Turn off RAM Plus and enjoy a faster phone. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tips, and I'll see you in the next one.